Hi everybody, it's Teague from ServiceBro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add more memory to your desktop computer. This is a pretty simple procedure. First thing you want to do is obviously open up your computer, and if you take a look right next to my heatsink for my processor, there's two available memory card slots right here. I have two already installed. I believe each one of them is a gigabyte. Now, when you're installing random access memory, RAM, you're going to want to do it, if you're going to install two cards, make sure they're both the same. In terms, meaning that each card is the same capacity. So here I have two cards, each one is a gigabyte each. And obviously before you buy the memory, you want to make sure what your computer is capable of handling. This computer is relatively old. I built this from scratch probably back in 2002, and so I can only add up to 4 gigabytes of memory to this machine. So what you're going to want to do, take a look at the memory card. There's a little slot right here. Now, down here in these memory card slots, it's actually right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's where this little groove fits in. There's only one way to put them in, so not really any chance that you can mess them up. So basically, what I want to do, I'm going to do the back one first. Set them in there. Make sure it's lined up correctly. And you push down. Alright. Now basically, now there's little these little levers right here. See where my finger is? You push that one, that connects into the little slot on the card. And you do the same thing over here. If I can get it. There you go. Snaps in. And this one goes in the same way. Line up the slot, push down, you push down and it clicks in. So the first one didn't click in, that's why I kind of did it from one side to the next manually. But usually if you put your finger on both sides and press down, these little plastic things that hold the memory in place will actually click and hold it down. Alright, that's about it. It's relatively easy. Just be careful. Don't apply too much pressure. Don't force them in. And then when you're done installing them, power up your computer and make sure your computer recognizes it. Alright, and like I said, always when you're upgrading memory, if you're putting two cards in, make sure the two cards are the same capacity. In other words, I installed two cards here and each one of them is a gigabyte apiece, total in 2 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, thank you very much, and please check out my website, servicebro.com.